Hello traders, welcome to my channel. So in this particular video, I will show you how to move your money from the Deriv website to your MetaTrader 5 for trading. Do you understand? Like you can see, this is the Deriv website, the new website of Deriv, and I have like $8 here. So I sent $8 to this particular Deriv account. I want to move it to my MetaTrader 5 for trading proper. First of all, click on transfer. You understand? If you click on transfer, I need to move this money from my US dollar account because I send the money through dollar. So I want to use this. I want to move it from US dollar to MT5 account. You see that we have swap free financial option, but I open CFD standard with MT5 for MT5 trading. You understand? If you want swap free, you can go for swap free. If you want financial, you can go for financial. Trading option, you can go for option, but I open CFD standard MT5. Do you understand? So I will choose the 100% because I want to move all the money from my US dollar account to my MT5 account. Once you do that, then click on confirm, then to process it. After the processing, then the money will now move from US account to MT5 account. You can see transfer successful. If you click on start trading, then to take you to this particular interface. If you click on MetaTrader 5 web terminal, it will take you to MetaTrader 5 website. But if you click on MetaTrader 5 app, then it will take you to MT5 app. Do you understand? So that's just the difference. But for now, I want to do something like I don't want to connect it to directly like that. First of all, I'll click on trade. Do you understand? I want to connect to the app directly. If I click on trade, they will show me option for server and then the login ID. At this particular point, all I need to do is just to copy the login ID. Are you getting me? Now, once I copy the login ID, the next thing I will do now is to go to my MetaTrader 5 and then click on this trade line, click on manage accounts, and then click on this plus icon here. Then go to find broker, then find the name of the broker. Now we are using Deriv. This video is for Deriv, so I'll start Deriv. Just make sure you are going for deriv.com limited. Do you understand? If you click on that, then go and paste that login ID that you copied from the website there. I get me. Then you should know your password. Input the password. Do you understand? If you have forgotten it, I've already made a video on it in description of this particular video. Then select the correct server, which is Deriv server 2. Then click on login, and you log into MetaTrader 5 at once. So you see that we have moved the money from our account. Do you understand? From our MT5 account to from our new Deriv account to the MT5. That's it, guys. So just a quick one, guys. I have a Telegram channel where I drop free signals, and in this my Telegram community, we are profitable. So that's it. We are profitable, and what we trade here is Deriv synthetic indices and also currency pairs. So just in case you need to Deriv broker that offers synthetic indices, currency pairs, and other options, stocks, the link to sign up with Deriv broker is already in the description of this particular video. So go down to the description of the particular video and then sign up with Deriv broker, and then you can join us so that we can make this money together. If you find this video very helpful and learn how to move your money from Deriv website to your MetaTrader 5, don't forget to do just one favor by liking this particular video and also subscribe to this particular channel. I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Bye.